I'm going to show you how to chop a jalapeno. These peppers are delicious. Not that hot if you keep the seeds out, and they can be in so many amazing dishes. Yeah, about now a spicy margarita sounds good to me, but so here we go, and it's very simple. A clean jalapeno, please, and you're going to cut them a side off at a time. Then you're going to turn it, and you're going to cut again. Turn it again. One more turn. So, skin side down, and now we're just going to cut into very skinny strips, or what we call julienne. Make sure you keep your fingers out of your way. Okay, stack all your little strips together, and now we're just going to do our cross cuts. And now you've got perfectly diced jalapeno ready for all your fabulous recipes. And no worries about the seeds, the spice, your core, it's all sitting here. You're good to go.